Ensuring compliance and accuracy, the bedrock of a winning proposal. Welcome to Lesson 11.4. Crafting a compelling solution is critical, but these efforts are built upon the foundational pillars of compliance and accuracy. A proposal that fails to adhere to the client's requirements or contains inaccurate information, no matter how brilliant its strategic insights, is destined for rejection. This is not a box-ticking exercise. It's a fundamental aspect of risk management and credibility building. The high stakes of noncompliance and inaccuracy. The stakes are high. Noncompliance and inaccuracy can lead to mandatory disqualification. A prime example of this is when a bidder fails to include a required signature on a specific form, such as a formal pricing sheet. The RFP explicitly states that this is a mandatory requirement. As a result, the proposal is deemed noncompliant and is immediately disqualified without any further review, regardless of how strong the solution and pricing are. Erosion of trust and credibility. Imagine a proposal that claims your team has over 15 years of experience, but a quick review of the key personnel reveals that a critical team member only has 5 years of experience. This inaccuracy, whether intentional or not, will severely undermine the client's trust and credibility in your organization. If they can't trust your resume, how can they trust your ability to deliver? Legal and contractual issues. Inaccurate information regarding capabilities or contractual terms can lead to significant legal issues. For example, a proposal might state that your software is compliant with a specific legal regulation, but it is not. If you win the bid, you could face legal action or significant financial penalties. This is why a thorough legal review is critical to ensure that all claims are accurate and legally sound. Reputational damage. Submitting a non-compliant or inaccurate proposal can damage your organization's reputation within the industry. For instance, if a client rejects your bid because it was riddled with errors and inconsistencies, they may share that feedback with other potential clients. This can lead to a negative reputation that is difficult to repair. As Philip Crosby, a quality management guru, emphasized, quality is free. What costs money are the unquality things. All the actions that involve not doing jobs right the first time. A framework for ensuring compliance and accuracy. A robust system to ensure compliance and accuracy requires a proactive and integrated approach. Thorough RFP analysis. A great example of a thorough analysis is the creation of a detailed compliance matrix. This matrix lists every single requirement from the RFP, cross-references it to a specific page or section in your proposal, and assigns an owner to that requirement. This ensures that no mandatory requirement is missed and that all requirements are addressed accurately. Establishing clear guidelines. You can create a comprehensive proposal style guide that outlines formatting standards, naming conventions, and other guidelines to ensure consistency. For example, the guide might state, all Level 1 headings must be Arial, 16-point font, and bold. This ensures that all team members are using the same format, which reduces the risk of non-compliance. Integrating checks. Integrating checks throughout the process is critical. For instance, after a team member writes a section, a peer might review it for accuracy and consistency before it is sent to a dedicated editor. This cross-functional collaboration and fact-checking helps to catch errors early on, rather than waiting until the final review. Dedicated reviews. For high-stakes bids, you can conduct a dedicated review by an independent individual or team. This is often called a red team review. A red team review is where a team with a critical mindset scrutinizes the proposal to identify any potential weaknesses or compliance gaps. This provides a fresh perspective and helps to identify errors that the bid team might have overlooked. Post-submission review. After a bid is submitted, a great example of a post-submission review is a meeting with the bid team and the client. You might ask, can you give us some feedback on why we did not win the bid? Was there anything that we missed? This feedback, both positive and negative, can be used to improve your process and templates for future bids. Key takeaways. The cornerstone of bid success. Ensuring compliance and accuracy is the very foundation upon which a winning proposal is built. By implementing a robust framework that encompasses thorough RFP analysis, clear guidelines, integrated checks, and dedicated reviews, your organization can significantly mitigate the risks associated with non-compliance and inaccuracies. A relentless focus on getting the details right is paramount to protecting your investment, building credibility, and ultimately securing the bid.